Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix you have not verified your Apple ID. So guys, if you have create your new Apple ID and when you try to download apps from your app store and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this problem and how can you download and install apps without this error and how can you verify your Apple ID. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back. So guys, after this simply you need to open your Apple ID in your settings, and here you will see the option of sign in and security. So guys, from here simply you have to add email address or phone number, and if you have already add any email address, then guys you need to verify your email address. How can you verify? Simply you have to click on verify tab and you will receive an OTP on your email, and simply you have to put that OTP in your Apple ID, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, after this if still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Apple Sport app, scroll it down, click on more products, click on Apple ID and click on another option other Apple ID topics, and from here guys you have to select security concerns, click on call, and you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.